Hi, welcome back to Hill and Ponton Social Security Disability Blog. I'm Natalia Jofre,
I'm Shelly Mark.
and we're talking about listings and how they relate to different conditions and how you meet them. And the last one we were talking about loss of vision.
Yes.
And we were talking about how people love to say legally blind.
Right.
So we'll just say that so that people know what we're talking about. But we did want to mention that loss of vision is one of those conditions. And as a matter of fact, the only condition that Social Security makes a lot of allowances for that they don't for other conditions.
Right.
So, for example, if you, do have loss of vision in both eyes, Social Security, or like they have what they call the blindness rules.
Right.
And so if you meet those rules, then you can work. You can make a significant amount of money, a lot more than if you had any other condition, because the thinking behind other conditions is Social Security really doesn't want you to be working.
Right.
This benefit is designed for people who really cannot work at all. But with blindness, you can openly let them know, you're making so much a month. It could be, anywhere from about $1,500 a month gross. We don't want to give exact amounts because they change from year to year, but they allow that. And not only do they allow that, they allow you to discount all of your blindness related expenses.
Right.
So if you need to have transportation that picks you up and takes you to work, if you need to have special monitors, special computers, special braille books, a seeing eye dog, any kind of special equipment or services, they allow you to deduct all of that from the amount that you're making.
Right.
So if after you've deducted all of that, you're still under that threshold in the month that's allowed that year, you can still qualify for your full disability benefit.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing compared to the very limited window people have that are on disability for every other medical condition you can imagine.
Yeah.
I guess the mentality there is that they want to encourage individuals that are blind, because just because you're blind doesn't mean that you can't work or function. It just means that more than likely you have to have a lot of accommodations made to get you there or to actually perform your job.
Right.
That's really great.
And there's a lot of services, like there's entire agencies dedicated to just help people that are blind be able to do some type of work. And so Social Security has made an allowance for that disability in particular. And by increasing this amount that they can earn per month, and all of these other expenses that they can deduct. So that's just a little bit of financial information when it comes to that specific condition. And I will say that condition alone. The only other exception to a rule that I would want to mention is for Medicare. There's a 2-year waiting period for Medicare.
Right.
And the only condition that gets an allowance where that is waived is ALS, otherwise known as Lou Gehrig's disease. And that's not even waived for people who are blind. So that's surprising.
That's interesting.
So you have all of the income allowances for people that are blind, but you only have the Medicare waiver for people with ALS. And those are the only ones that are condition specific.
Right.
But we're going to talk a little bit more about loss of vision and different listings that apply to those conditions. So please continue to watch. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or call our office.
Thank you.